Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change location on GrabHub as a delivery driver. First, open up your browser on your phone or computer and search for GrabHub support and click the first link that says Contact Us. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll find the support email helpme@grabhub.com. Open your own email and write to them. In your message, explain that you've moved to a new city or region and would like to update your delivery location on your driver account. Be sure to include like your full name, your driver account email, your old location, and the new city or region you want to switch to. Send the email and the GrabHub support team will help update your location. And that's it. That's how to change location on GrabHub as a delivery driver. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.